After reviewing this heat map, one could see that there are differences between some, day of the week, whether it is weekend or weekday, or day of the hour of the day, and so on. So we could probably modify the data set and then transform the variables and bin them differently, and maybe that will improve the uh, um, performance of the prediction classification model. So here we're going to do some transformations. We're going to convert the day of the week. So let's do a str and then see what we have there. See, day of week is an integer. Okay, so we could change that to a factor. Delay.df day week, and we want to set that to a factor. We're not going to use as factor because we're going to specify the levels and the labels. Okay, so delay day week and levels equal to, there's 1 to 7. There are 7 days, right? Now labels equal to, now we have weekday list. Okay, and you run and then you go check it out, then you see the day of the week is changed to the 3-letter weekday labels. Okay, we're going to use the scheduled departure time, and we're going to bin that. So we've done this before, which is we want CRS departure time. Okay, and we want these to be binned. So delays.df CRS departure time, and we divide by 100. So then decimal, the number to the left of the decimal point will be the hour. So we then round it. Okay, actually we should use floor. Okay, you should use floor. Okay, make sure that that works. Okay, let's highlight that part and run it, and you see that it works. Okay, so and then we want that to be a factor. So we did as factor. Now run, and if you go to delays, you see CRS time is okay. So we can do a str of delays and see what it is. So you can see CRS is departure time is factor, carrier factor, and everything else is good. Now there are, now we can specify, so we're going to convert the other character variables like carrier and origin and destination and so on into factors. And as we do those, and we're going to also specify what would be the reference level. So if you have like LaGuardia, Newark, and JFK, now in when you have a factor with these three values in regression analysis, the R will create out of these three two dummy variables. Okay, now you can specify, and it'll do it in an alphabetical fashion, or you can specify what should be the reference level. You want JFK to be the reference, which means there will not be a dummy variable for JFK, but you will have dummy variables for the other two. So that way, you can control which value will be used as a reference value, right? So let's do the reference values for these, and at the same time we're going to convert them into factors. So delays dot df, okay, origin, okay, so we're going to do R E level, okay, that is reference level, okay, and then we do as factor delays.df origin, okay, and then you specify what the reference is going to be, okay, and you want reference to be, for origin you want IAD, all right, and then delays destination to be R level, okay, as factor delays destination, okay, and then you say reference is LaGuardia, LGA, and then delays.df carrier R level, delays.df carrier, okay, and as factor, okay, so it should be like that, and reference equal to, for carrier we want US, and should be reference. Then delays.df, now we're going to give a reference level for weekday. So reference level, okay, delays df weekday. We've already changed day of the week to a factor. So reference equal to, now when I created the list of weekday names, okay, where is it? Okay, so here Wednesday I did not capitalize it with a capital W, so that was a mistake, but anyway I'm going to stick to the mistake. So if I use an uppercase W, I get an error, so we don't want to do that. Okay, so make sure that I have two R's there, and this US should be uppercase, US, and then we run these 4 lines of code. Okay, so now that sets all the references up.